And I'm not done yet. We have another gentleman. Let me see if he came. He came today, this morning? I'm not sure. I'm not seeing him. Well, we have another gentleman celebrate Pinnacle milestone. He's right here. And he's not only here this morning. He started with us when we start back on service, September 5th. And he never left us, and I believe he's never leaving us. And this now, especially because he's turning Pinnacle. So let's please, big round of applause to our friend Michael Cole. He's reaching 700 cruise point. Congratulations, Mike. It's our honor and pleasure to call Mike to the stage as well.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ready? Yeah, 1, 2.
Thank you, Mike. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
If you'd like to do a photo session with Mike later, let us know.
I can definitely arrange that for you.